We are using AI to remove friction when our customers are frustrated. Ask Once turns the reliability issues into simpler, more predictable experiences. Customers expect what we promise to them: a reliable network or a bill that we promise to them, services that are simple and effortless to use. Connectivity sits at the heart of everything we do. When everything works, customers take it for granted. They don't even think about it. When something goes wrong, like an outage or a slowed broadband, that's when the reliability really matters. In those moments, customers don't want technical explanation. They want fast answer, reassurance, and a clear path to resolution. Reliability today is about experience, not just performance. It's about simple, clear journeys, being easy to reach when it matters the most. That's what customers expect from Vodafone. Network issues are the real moments of truth for the customers. When something goes wrong during an outage or installation, people often need to contact more than once. That's where the frustration builds in. That's why Ask Once is a principle for Vodafone, not just a process. It means customers don't need to repeat themselves. We capture the information once and use it through the journey across digital and human touchpoints. We know customers move between channels, so we joined those touchpoints up to feel consistent and connected. In the markets where Ask Once is live, like UK, Albania, Romania, and Turkey, we see better customer experience results, especially on those complex moments like troubleshooting. Let's start with the situations that our customers know well: a delayed installation or a higher bill than expected, or broadband is not performing as promised. In those moments, frustration quickly builds, especially when customers need to chase updates or start again each time. This is exactly where Ask Once changes the experience. Customers don't need to repeat themselves. We capture the information once and carry it across the customer journey, from online, on the phone, or in-store. We take ownership and stay with the customer until the issue resolved. That means clearer updates across the channels, less repeat contact, and fast resolution, even when the issue itself is complex. Customer feedback plays a key role in this, and we continuously improve this experience by listening to customer feedback. We are using AI to remove friction when our customers are frustrated. The outcome is simple. Ask Once turns the reliability issues into simpler, more predictable experiences, right when the customers need us the most. What's next is deepening our Ask Once commitment, meaning customers only ask once and we take care of the rest. It is ambitious and it is not easy, but it is the right direction. We are proactively communicating, setting clear expectations, sharing updates on time, and anticipating the customer problems before the frustration builds in. Technology, especially GenAI, is the key enabler. It helps us spot issues earlier, reduce unnecessary touchpoints, and continuously improve end-to-end journeys. We made a great start, but there is more to do. What gives me confidence is our capability, our passion, and our relentless focus on building trust. Because Ask Once is not just about fixing issues, it's about building trust through simpler and more connected experiences.